Did you know that your snoring gives you brain fog and makes you feel constantly tired, forgetful, and fuzzy-headed? According to the Mayo Clinic, snoring can cause headaches, make it difficult to concentrate, and make you feel tired all day long. Other anti-snoring techniques didn't target the root cause: soft tissue falling back into your throat. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by gently moving your jaw forward. Since using ZQuiet, I have stopped snoring altogether. Your snoring may be causing you brain fog. Try ZQuiet.